Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to reduce the megabyte size of a photo on your iPhone without downloading any app. So if your image is too large for uploading on websites, sending through email, or sharing on WhatsApp, then this method will help you compress it in just a few seconds. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open up the Photos app on your iPhone and select the image you want to reduce the file size of. Once the image opens, tap on the information button at the bottom of the screen. Here, underneath the image details, you will be able to see the current file size of the photo. For example, this image is currently 1.1 MB. Now, to reduce the size, tap on the share icon located in the bottom left corner. Scroll down and select Save to Files. After that, tap on the back arrow in the top left corner and choose On My iPhone as the save location. Then press Save in the top right corner. Once the image is saved, close the Photos app and open the Files app on your iPhone. You can quickly find it by using the search bar. Inside the Files app, tap on Recents from the bottom menu. Find the image you just saved, then press and hold on the photo. A menu will appear. Scroll down and tap on Quick Actions, then select Convert Image. Now choose JPEG format, and after that, you'll see different image size options like small, medium, or large. Select small if you want maximum compression and a much smaller file size. And just like that, your image size will be reduced dramatically. For example, my photo went from 1.1 MB all the way down to only 92K. So that's it for this video. Thanks.